it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how even you can set custom Memoji contacts on your iPhone's home screen. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. So to make this, you will need two things. Number one, Memoji of your favorite contact, and number two, Siri Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone. The very first thing that's needed is the Memoji of your contact, and to get that, you have two ways. Number one, if you and your contact have ever seen Memoji stickers in your conversation on iMessage, you can simply click on that Memoji sticker and take a screenshot so that it gets saved in the Photos app. Number two, just in case if you haven't seen your contact's Memoji, then you can even create one of your own. By going into Contacts, select that particular contact, click on Edit, and then tap on Photo. From here, you can not only create a new Memoji, but also use the preloaded Memojis by Apple. Once you have set an avatar for the contact, take a screenshot and crop it. Once the Memoji of your contact is ready, you need to open the Siri Shortcuts app on your iPhone, whereby you have to create a new Siri shortcut. To create the shortcut within the Shortcuts app, click on the plus sign, then on Add Action. On the search bar, type Send Message as your action. Now tap on the recipient part. And now select the contact to whom you want to send the message. So here I'm gonna paste Silicon Designer and hit Done. Since the shortcut is now ready, it's time to add it to the home screen. So for that, tap the share icon and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now here, you have to type down the name of the selected contact, and also with that, you also have to add the Memoji by tapping the icon itself. Once added, just hit Done. And now tap Next to type down the name of your contact once again. And finally, once everything is done, just hit Done. And as a result, the contact bookmark on your home screen has been created. So whenever I will tap on Silicon Designer's avatar on the home screen, it will instantly open up iMessage, which is really cool and in fact saves time. With that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.